You don't need followers to make money with this system. Now, here's how. I'll break it down. Now, here's how total beginners are getting paid without going viral. No followers, no influence, still getting paid. Sounds fake, right? But LiveGood's matrix doesn't care about your clout. It cares about your timing. You get positioned, plug into a duplicating system, and the magic starts happening. You don't sell, you let the system speak for itself. So, you want to lock in your position before the matrix updates? Comment matrix, and I will share step one with you.